everyone, today I am going to explain you class 3rd GK book chapter 2, and the chapter name is Tiny Insects. What's the name of the chapter? Tiny Insects. So first of all I want to tell you about the insects. What are the insects? Insects are small animals. Insects are small animals with 6 legs and a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. What is called hard shell is called exoskeleton. Okay, mostly insects have wings and antenna. You can see this insect is there, it has wings and antenna. This is called antenna. Okay, but some insects don't have wings. Some insects don't have wings. Like in this pic you can see this is ant, it doesn't have wings. So these kind of insects used to walk and hop on the ground. Okay, some common insects are here given in this chapter, so I will explain about those insects to you today. Okay, so first of all I am going to tell you about the butterfly. What is this? It is butterfly. So this is a butterfly. It has 4 wings, as you can see, 1 2 3 4. It has 4 wings and to fly, and can use its feet to taste nectar. Means it uses its feet to taste the nectar from the flowers. It suck the flowers nectars and juice of the flower, and then after it decorates its wings. So you can see its wings used to be so much beautiful, and it looks also pretty. Okay, so this is a butterfly. It has 4 wings to fly and can use its feet as the nectar to taste the nectar. Okay, now second insect is ant. As you can see, small ant. You have seen at your home there are many ants. They live in a colony. The group of the ants is called colony. Okay, it lives in a colony and can lift and carry things that are 1,000 times more than its own weight. Means it can carry more than 1,000 times more weight than its own weight. Okay, so it is a small insect, but it can carry so much weight according to its body. Okay, it's very hard work. It is the insect of very hard working. It is very hard working insect. It lives in the communities. Means it lives in the colonies. It lives in the group. Okay, and it is very fond of sweets. It likes to take sweets. As you like to take sweets, then in the same way it is also likes to take sweets. Okay, and the third insect is grasshopper. It is the grasshopper. So I am telling you about the grasshopper. It can hop, jump, walk and fly, and it mostly found in the fields and gardens. Means it's in color, it is of green color, and it mostly we can find it in the grass. Okay, it is the herbivorous insect, and it is harmless insect. It's don't trouble to any other person. If you will bully it, then if you will disturb it, then it attacks on us. Otherwise it is not harmful insect. Okay, obviously if you will disturb others, that person will react. So in the same way it also reacts when you trouble it. Okay, now I am telling you about the 4th insect, and the 4th insect name is ladybug. You can see it is a ladybug. So it is called the farmer's friend. Do you know why it is called the farmer's friends? Because it eats up bugs that destroy the crops of the farmers. Okay, so it eats those bugs which destroy the farmers' crops. That is why it is called the farmer's friend insect. Okay, it has an oval shaped body. You can say the body of it looks like oval shape. Okay, and they eat bugs. As I told you, they eat bugs. Now I am going to explain about moth. It is a moth. What is this? It is moth. You can see it is not looks good. It doesn't look good because it doesn't have the wings like butterfly. Butterfly has the beautiful wings. You can see butterfly looks pretty, but it doesn't look pretty. Okay, it is active in night. It is active at night. In night it used to be active. Means it used to come outside in the night, in the darkness. It a butterfly. It is looking like a butterfly, you can see, but it attracts to the light. Have you seen in the night on the tube light, there's sometimes you have seen any insect is there that is flying towards the tube light? That is the moth. That is the moth. Okay, it is of dark color insect. It is not attractive, but it looks like a butterfly. Okay, next is housefly. I think this insect everybody has seen at their home. Housefly, everybody has seen. This is a housefly, and it makes a buzzing sound. It makes a buzzing sound, and it's fly over the rotten vegetables, fruits, manure, and garbage. Means it used to stay on the dirty places, and it makes the place dirty also. So it is a very dirty insect which we can get at our homes. It is called housefly. Okay, everyone. So this was a chapter about tiny insects. So study. Okay. Bye bye, everyone.